So today which we're gonna do level 3. Check the home directory of flag03. There is a cron tab. Cron tab is a background process which is like they will run some kind of command in the background which will not shown to us. Particularly maybe they will be running from the flag 0, might be, or from any user, from a particular user. Since we have to execute the get flag on the flag 03, so I hope the cron tab is using the user flag 03. There is no source code at all. Let's log into level 03, password level 03, clear it. Is there anything? Nothing at all, nothing useful. Let's go to the home flag. Shit, man. So we have here two file writable. This is a directory and this is a file. This is a shell script. If we get it, what you get is a bash script and it's a for loop. It's checking the directory inside the directory of the writable.d or whatever it is inside the directory. It will set a for loop, and every 5 seconds it's gonna execute the bash script, whatever the file. I is the file, I guess so, or whatever what it is. Means whatever I what is the I actually? What is it? bash.x. What it actually do? I don't think it should be useful over here. We can use the -x. Nothing useful. Where is it? -x over here. True if the file exists and it is executable. Okay. So yeah, now we got it. So the file, whatever inside this writable.d, that is an executable file, it will run it, and after that remove that executable file. So we have, our target is to run get flag, right? We cannot run the get flag here because get flag is not executing on a non-flag account. We have to be executed on a flag 03 account. So what we're gonna do over here, this job is not running by level 03. This job is already running by flag 03. So what we can do over here is we can create a file which will run us get flag inside of writable.d. So let's go to writable.d. Nothing over here. Let's create a bash script. Let's say it get flag. No need get flag. I don't want to like write the same name as get flag as the same over this, so the command might coincide and there might be disturbance. So let's make it a flag dot sh. That means it will be a shell script, and what we're gonna do over here is bin.sh, or you can use bash. I like to use sh. So this is the path where the part of the cell means SH cell. Basically, if you have not programmed in bash, this is the first, like in C programming we have to include #include stdio, similar to that. So it will directly execute it and find the binary of SH and execute the file. So we want to execute get flag, right? Then after that we want to see the result, because otherwise we will not be knowing what is going on. Even though it's executed, we are not gonna find what will be the result. So I want to copy the result to home//03/success. I will name it that file as success. Save it, and we need to make it executable by doing cmod +x, make it executable. So now we want to watch it over here. Our file will be produced over here. So how are we gonna watch it? We're gonna watch every 1 second. We're gonna watch it, the command ls/la. So if there is any file which will automatically created by that cron tab, there will be a file known as success. Let's see it. Let's wait for 5 seconds. Is there anything going on? Here is the file success. After 5 seconds, we get a file success. Let's see the file. What was the result? If we see ls/la, same thing. We have a file known as success. We can get the file success. You have successfully executed get flag on target. So our job is done. Here is level 3, flag 3. Level 3 is clear. Let's go to the cell, specifying the user so that we want to stay in the same cell. Otherwise, if we don't use here, we're gonna directly, if I want to go to level 4, right? Level 4, we'll get a born cell. What cell do we call it? I think it's a born cell. I don't know what it is. I think it's a born cell. So I don't want this cell, right? I want to get the same cell, best cell. So what I'm gonna do, if I want to get a best cell, I'll specify the cell. I'll get a best cell. So now what we're gonna do, level 4. Let's see the level 4. This requires to read a token file. So let's see what we have here. Is there anything? Nothing useful. It's just a history main. It's not useful. Let's go to flag directory. Flag 04. We have a file known as flag. So he wants a file, but we have to read the token. But if we put the file known as token, you may not access token. So we cannot read the file token through this. Let's see whether we can read any file. etc/. Password maybe. Yeah, we can read the file. So we can just create a dynamic link, maybe ln-home/token. We want to give it to our level 04 slash success maybe. Let's keep it flag. We created a link. Now I want to execute that flag. Nothing is happening. Oh shit, something is, I made a mistake, man. How can I do that? This should be flag 04, right? So the file is already exists. Let's create a flag 1. If we give flag 1, yeah, we get this. I think this is the password for the flag maybe. In general case, when we play CTF, if we find a string like this, it basically will be some kind of password for a particular user. So that's flags 04. If we paste it, we get the flag. Right now, what we have to do? We have to type get flag. So that's it. I'm done.